Yeah, okay. Yes, so we have to check before that we are from Team E, the network Volkswagen, so everybody knows this now. Like I told you yesterday, actually, that we present a case in the field of autonomous urban air mobility concepts. And yes, so we start with this. The first step is what we did. We created several digital twins for different air vehicles. We did it already because we have a short time into presentation, to presentate it. So we see here already the digital twin of an air vehicle. We see a lot of metadata, and we see here already completed flight plans of the flights they made in the past. Yes, and to bring now the air taxi to fly, we have to create a new flight plan. And in this flight plan, we put all the information we need to everybody knows where the flight taxi goes, for example. I mean, we want to go from, especially from the Berlin main station to Oranienburg to bring Rebecca to her girlfriend. And yes, we put this now in, so we put everything inside, and when we are ready, so my colleague is still looking where Berlin. It takes some time. Yes, so in this moment when we are ready, we start now to create a smart contract of a flight plan. Yeah, and in this flight plan, already all of the organizations, partners you need the permission that air taxi can start autonomously are already integrated. It's again because we have short time to show it here. This might now take some seconds because we are working live on the Ethereum-based EVA network, our team name, and in the back we develop now 5 to 10 different smart contracts for all of the organizations and partners around. When we are finished, we can look on the details of the smart contracts to see which kind of permissions we need. So we have to invite the flight control, we have to check the weather conditions, we have to invite the insurance, we have to invite booking platforms, for example, because Rebecca wants to book it over a booking platform. And yes, so we're looking now, because we're live, so we don't know how many seconds it will take, but hopefully not too long. Yes, so when we are ready, we look then in the details of the smart contracts, and then you will see the different tasks we have to finish, or we have to make ready that the autonomous air taxi can start. This looks actually good. We look first in the flight control, for example, only to give you a feeling what is in this flight plan inside in this digital twin. So we see here the flight control check that we not go over 300 feet. We are not in the area of an airport, for example, and so they check it. And they say, okay, it's ready, your coordinates are okay, so you can start with this. The same, we don't look in the weather conditions now, because yeah, we can look, I mean, it doesn't matter, we see that there's no rain, the wind speed is okay, so we can start. And the last thing, but not least, is, for example, we start already the flight, please. Can you start already? Yeah, so the last thing was, for example, the insurance, because we think the future of insurance is real-time conditions for insurances. So it means that it depends how much you have to pay, depends on how much passengers you have, for example, in your air taxi. So yes, this is basically the flight plan, and what we did now we did, I think, this night, we integrated the IOTA data streaming in this Ethereum case. And what so this needs now again. Because in this moment, what's happened now, the air vehicles open a data stream directly after starting. And we push now the data stream from IOTA in the smart contract of Ethereum. So for our demo, we use the data of the battery of this air vehicle because we think the battery is a very critical point for this whole system of autonomous urban air mobility. Because, for example, if a booking platform wants to know when you can book the air taxi again while it's in the air, you have to know what's the current status of the battery. And so You see here already the current status of the battery.
It's time.
Yes. So this was